Yes.
Okay, welcome to SUNY. Where from?
We are from Kazakhstan.
Okay, how do you think about the SUNY and SUNY's wet wipers machine?
We come SUNY company. We love it. The quality is better than we think. So we love it. Nice, very nice systems, import detectors. Quality of metal is good. So we love it.
Okay, thank you. How about you, brother?
Kazakhstan.
Yeah, try to say something about the SUNY.
SUNY трудный. Ну, хорошие станки, нам очень понравилось. Думаем на дальнейшую работу с компанией SUNY. We are from Kazakhstan. We love SUNY. We in the future will be again cooperate with you.
Okay, will give me a like. Okay, thank you.